Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Friday Night Gab. Camille is right here. There she goes. She's a biter. She's a biter. I know this is a baby thing. I'm hoping she will get out of this. Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay, she likes to just always be near me. Except when she doesn't want to be near me, y'all. She doesn't go to bed with us like every cat I've ever had in my life does. She will come through and then she might go come in there when I'm reading or something, and then she's just different. She's just very different. Okay, stop biting me. She keeps attacking me. Anyway, hello. How is everybody this evening? I am not live this evening. This is a videotape. I already ruined that. I got that for $1.25 at the $1.25 trees. So, and this always looks crooked no matter what I do. I left it on one night, which I will say, you know, I film after work. I was filming, and so maybe I turned it on at 6 or 6:30, and the next day it was still on in the morning, and I was like, wow. So I turned it off, but it's dead. So the candle that's in there is like built into it. So I just threw another one in. So it's pretty. I like it. And you know, for $1.25, it's like a daisy cutout on it, you know, or a sunflower, I should say. Okay, Camille, you're gonna have to stop biting, or I'm gonna get you down. Okay, that's not okay. Oh, she got mad at me. She got mad at me. She attacked me. Here she is, y'all. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. She is a cutie, no doubt. No doubt. Thank goodness she's cute, because I don't know what else is going for right now. So, all right. So I hope y'all have had a good week. It's been a good week. It's been a good week, I guess. Got a lot, you know, just work. I work. So y'all probably that work, you know, we get a lot accomplished or not. I don't get a lot accomplished around my house. I found a palette. Well, I had a palette that I dropped and it was pulverized pretty much. I tried to press it back in. It's not working. So I did put it on though, because I was playing around with it, but it's really more, it's like mermaid colors, you know, like the sea. So I'll show it to y'all in my empties, because whenever I do that, because it's pulverized. So I just wanted to say that I hope y'all have had a good week, and I am going to go live next Friday. So that will be the 22nd of September, and so I go live 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central, 6 o'clock Mountain Time, and 5 o'clock Pacific Time. I think that's what it's called. And I don't know what time it will be in Hawaii. How far behind is Hawaii? I don't know. It's more than I think. I know that. Anyway, just want to tell you I'm going live. All right, so if Camille will calm down, I have a couple things to talk about. I got the 180-degree box this week, and that was a surprise for me. I didn't know it was coming, and I got to say, y'all, that box is the best, the very, very best self-care box. Now, there's a lot of good boxes out there, a lot of good lifestyle boxes that I would, you know, could say, oh, I love it, it's my favorite, you know, but that box right there is all about taking care of yourself and doing it in such a indulgent way that's really, really nice for you. So it's just, I think it's a wonderful box. And it would make a wonderful gift. And also you can, Arlene has a shop. You can get things in there, and you can buy just a box for a friend. She has different kinds of boxes in there, and you might even say, if you just want to send one box, you could say, you know, could you send that September box to my friend? Or, you know, if she still, you know, I don't know, she may be sold out. See, that's the thing, if she has any left over, or if you just want to buy like the next one, which would be October, and just send that as a gift or something, and say you didn't want to start a subscription. That's what I love. Another thing that I love about some of these boxes, like that one and Silver Swag and stuff, is that they're real people running them, real everyday people that have started their own business, so you can talk to them. So anyway, just wanted to throw that in there. Y'all, I do have a question for you. I had a PR video that I did this week for an electric throw. And I notice when I do the PR videos, you know, where it's not a box, that I don't, you know, don't watch well, some of you do, but I don't get as many views. So I wonder, is that something that you're just not interested in, or what? Just let me know, because they send me, I get some nice things, and of course I always, because they send them things to me because they want me to show it. So I will probably still make a video. I just wondered. Anyway, okay, and my Ipsy, my Boxycharm by Ipsy, if I'll ever get that name down, it'll be a miracle. Was a fantastic box. I still miss Boxy very, very much. I miss the sales. I really, really do. And then my Test Tube Beauty came this week, and it was phenomenal. And I've got to tell y'all, Test Tube Beauty, now that box is underrated. Underrated. Because the stuff that you get in there, that box, I paid $50 for that box, and it was valued at $365. And different unique things that you can share with people and check out for yourself. Really cool stuff. I love it. And it's an underrated box. This was just the week of boxes because I also got my CatLady Box. And what I get is the crazy CatLady Box. And I'm crazy about that box. I really am. And I love their t-shirts. I don't buy t-shirts because I love theirs. And I don't wear t-shirts to work. I dress up nice for work, but when I'm at home, I have a t-shirt on. Unless when I'm filming, I also wear nice clothes. But this is Here to Pet All the Cats. I love this t-shirt. I have many, many, many t-shirts from CatLady Box. Camille, you're sitting right on my paper that has all my information. I do have a winner that I have forgotten to tell you all about. Just, I write things down, but they're never in the same place. So I did, with the video that I showed, the Happy Home Office box from Thrive Remotely. That is Shannon, and she's just starting a new box. It was her introduction box. I did a giveaway in that video. And the winner of that is Elizabeth McInerney. And I hope I'm saying that right. McInerney? It depends on where you put the accent. It depends if you're from the north or the south, and I'm from both. So, but McInerney, is that how you say it, Elizabeth? So please get with me, and I will get you out some little goodies. And, excuse me, I do want to remind y'all about my giveaways that are going on. My treasure trove giveaway is always going on. And my 2,000 subscriber, $2,000 giveaway is still going on. So make sure you get in on that. Make sure you get in on that. Tell all your family and friends about that. And how's everything by you? Like, is it fall yet? It's not fall yet here, but it's trying. It's trying very hard. I have told a couple friends here lately, I've noticed the leaves aren't changing. A lot of things in Alabama, northern Alabama, are evergreen, so they're not going to change. But the trees that can change are not really changing. And sometimes they will just turn brown and drop off, just the leaves will die because it's a very dry summer, but we didn't have a very dry summer. So it's been dry the last couple of weeks, maybe a little bit of rain here and there, but I don't know why the leaves are not changing yet, because most of the time I notice at the end of August that they start changing. But Camille, you have got to stop. Help me, okay? Help. She bothers everything. It is in the 80s here during the day, which is very nice. Mid to low 80s mostly. Sometimes we get a little bit higher, 87, 88, maybe even 90 in the last week or two. But going forward, when I looked at the forecast going forward, we're just going to be in the 80s and in the 60s overnight. That is so nice. I love when it cools off at night. It's so nice. And last Sunday, I went outside early morning, I think I asked Alexa what the temperature was or something, and she told me, and it was like 64. So I opened my kitchen door, and I have the old-fashioned screen door, so it's glass, and then you can pull that glass up, and there's a screen, And long story, but I don't have that glass. But the screen is down there. So I opened it and this beautiful cold air was coming in. And the cats went crazy and the birds were just singing all crazy. So the boys can, you know, reach up and look out. But Camille's too small. So I put a box there and she sat on top of the box and they just loved it. And they enjoyed it all morning. I'm home for an hour and a half before I have to leave. And getting ready and all that. And then I left, and when I came home and did some filming and did what else I had to do for Sunday, get things ready, whatever, for Monday. And about 5 or 6 o'clock that evening, I was like, boy, it's pretty warm in this house. And what I had done when I opened that door was I turned off my air conditioning, and it was 80 degrees in the house because I had forgot to turn it back on. But that's how nice it was. You know, so I really enjoyed that. And I like that time of the year when you don't have anything on, no air conditioning and no heat. That's my favorite time of year. So, you know, for in the spring as well, because of the power bill, you know, because I'm sure just like me, everybody else has the same deal. Every single bill has gone up. Every single bill has gone up. Some tremendously, you know, like house and auto insurance. And, you know, but the paycheck doesn't. So that's just life. So anyway, y'all, I've talked a little too much probably. Come see me next Friday for my live if you can make it. And in the meanwhile, you know, I have videos most every day, so come and see those. And Elizabeth McInerney, please congratulate her in the comments. And let me, let me know, Elizabeth, I'll put her picture at the end here if I remember from the comment picker. And y'all have a wonderful weekend. I hope you enjoy it. You know, is there stuff going on by you? We have our, soon we should be having our county fair, but I don't know. I haven't heard much about it. It should be coming up soon. They have moved it over the years because sometimes September is just too hot. So they'll move it toward the end of September into October even, I think. So maybe that's what they've done. I just haven't heard anything about it. But the Saturday before it all starts is the parade. And I haven't heard anything about it. So anyway, I have to pay attention to that because I love the parade. It's fun. Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Have a wonderful weekend. And take care. Bye-bye.